To anybody who's able to watch this video, I hope you're having a great day. Before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. I am Justin Dave R. Madrio, and I am here to discuss the philosophical argument of the existence of God. For many centuries, the humanity has sought to understand the intricate order of the universe and the origin of life itself. Two compelling scientific discoveries such as the fine-tuning and the irreducible complexity challenge the idea that everything came into existence by mere chance. These scientific concepts suggest not randomness but exact, precise, and intentional design. And to further illustrate this, I will be using tangible objects to prove that such precision and complexity points to the existence of an intelligent creator, which is God. First up, we have the fine-tuning of the universe. Fine-tuning means the precise values of physical constants such as the gravity, the speed of light, and the nuclear forces, which makes life possible. Even the slightest change of these constants would make the universe uninhabitable. This suggests that these values were intentionally set rather than occurring by chance. For the tangible object that I will be using, I have here a key and a lock. A key is specifically designed to fit into a lock, and a lock to function, the key must have, first, the correct shape and cuts. If the key's grooves does not match with the lock's mechanism, it won't turn either way. Second, right size. If the key's size is too small or too big, it won't fit into the lock. It's too tight or too loose. And lastly, proper alignment. The key must be inserted correctly for it to fit into the lock and for the lock to function. Now, if any detail is slightly off, trust me, the key will never be able to open the lock. And to proceed with the philosophical argument of God's existence, the universe is like a lock and life is like the key. Everything must be precisely designed to fit perfectly. I'm going to give you another example. The Earth's distance from the Sun is just right. Because if it's too close, we would burn. And if it's too far, we would freeze. Same thing with the oxygen level at the atmosphere is perfect. Because if it's too much, it would be toxic. And if it's too little, it wouldn't be able to sustain life on Earth. Just as a key must be perfectly shaped to fit into a lock, the conditions of the universe must be precisely set for a life to exist. The exact conditions necessary for life suggest deliberate design and extreme precision, which points to the existence of an intelligent creator, which is God, who designed the universe with purpose. To continue, the other contemporary scientific discovery that I chose is the irreducible complexity. Irreducible complexity is the idea that certain biological systems that are so complex that if you remove even one part of it, it would stop working. This challenges the idea of gradual evolution because these systems could have not functioned if it's in an incomplete form. For the tangible object that I will be using, I have here a scissor. A very simple household object that could demonstrate the irreducible complexity. Scissors are made up of three major components. First one is the two blades. The cutting function is only possible when two blades work together. Next is the screw pin or pivot, which allows the two blades rotate and perform a cutting motion. And lastly, the handle that provides leverage to move the blades. Now, if you remove any part of this, I tell you, this scissor would instantly become useless. Without the blades, there's nothing to cut. Without the screw, pin, or pivot, two blades cannot work together. And without the handle, there's no way to apply force. This means that for the scissors to function as intended, all the parts must be in place and properly arranged at the same time. For the philosophical argument of God's existence and irreducible complexity concept, consider biological systems just like the human eye, which requires multiple components to be present and functional at the same time. The human eye consists of cornea, lens, retina, the optic nerve, and other structures which I believe that if any of the part of it would be missing, vision will not be possible. And just as a scissor could have not gradually evolved but must be designed as a whole, this biological systems points to an intelligent designer and creator, which is God, who created them fully functional even from the beginning. And to sum it all up, the fine-tuning of the universe and the concept of irreducible complexity both challenge the idea that the life and the cosmos are products of mere chance. The precise condition that allows life to exist and the intricate systems that function only when all parts are present suggests intentional design, not just randomness. Just as complex mechanism requires a designer, the order and precision being observed in the universe point to the existence of an intelligent creator, which is God. This invites us to reflect on a deeper question of the possibility that this universe was created and designed with an intention, meaning, and purpose. This has been Justin Dave or Madrio. Thank you for sharing and spending your time with me and lending your ear. Thank you.